The clock has started.
Action.
I hate cleaning, but it is too dirty. So, I am going to vacuum the floor. When I'm finished, it will be nice and clean. How often do you vacuum the floor? I vacuum the floor once a day. How long do you take to vacuum the floor? I usually take 10 minutes. If it is really dirty, I sometimes take 20 minutes. What do you use to clean the floor? I use a cordless vacuum cleaner. Where do you usually clean? I clean the living room, 2 bedrooms, the kitchen, the entrance, and the bathroom. When do you vacuum the floor? I vacuum the floor in the morning after breakfast. Why do you vacuum the floor in the morning? I do it in the morning because the noise is so loud. Who helps you with the cleaning? No one. I do it by myself.